finally, dude. I hate this state so much. I really want to move, but at the same time, I don't want to move. I don't know what I want to do. But all these nice cars have started coming out again. You know, last night I went out to film and there was this super cool Infiniti, and he had like this crazy exhaust on it. It was super fast, super loud. And I went, like, I had my GoPro on my head to record. I clicked the record button and nothing happened. Turns out the battery's dead, and I missed a golden opportunity to have like a nice little, oh, there's a cop up there. You see that? You see that? Dude, look at how good my eyes are. Man. But yeah, no, we had the perfect opportunity to race and have a good time, make some really good content, but no, couldn't do that, couldn't make that happen. This battery on this GoPro is so annoying. I just gotta buy like a couple more. That's the solution to the problem, but for now, I gotta be like really stringent and only record when I think something cool is gonna happen or something like that. Yeah, I gotta find a good spot for this filming, and that I can use this strategy at, because it takes up more space than usual. I gotta have a big plot of land. Forgot my strategy's in the trunk, dude. See, I gotta open my trunk up. Here's the strategy, bro. That should be good, dude. You see the way that dude looked at me, bro? Oh, he didn't want to race at all, bro. He was way too cold. He had like mittens on and stuff. Oh my gosh, dude. I didn't even notice that. What's that sound, dude? Why does that car make that sound? In order to do the 0 to 60, I have to stop. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop right here and press go on that. Okay. Zero to 60 in 7 seconds, bro. That sucks. No. Oh, I can do better than that. I don't want to start going uphill though, because that's just gonna be harder. We'll rig it just a little bit. Oh, I gotta stop right here. Right here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. What was that? 7 point. Yeah. So like 8 seconds. That's not good at all. And my clutch got stuck down. I don't know what happened, but it was like stuck halfway down, and it was fully engaged. I was driving, like once I hit 3rd gear, the clutch was like halfway up. It was like halfway up. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that's all about. I know that my transmission and my differential and my clutch are all kind of failing. I didn't use launch control too. I'm not upset. I thought my car was faster than that though. I don't know. We'll try again another day. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. It's been an honor. It's been a pleasure. And go touch grass.